yung ating dialysis center, which was inaugurated ito noong December po, 2024. So, awa ng Diyos, we have from initial of 2 shift lang po, naging 4 shifts na po tayo dyan, catering to around 24 patients per day. So, around more than 500 treatments per month po yung nagagawa po since the openings. Also, we are looking forward for the main building po. The funding of that came from the Department of Health, then po from Health Facilities Enhancement Program worth 110 million that will give us a 4-story building to accommodate our wards na for charity patients po lahat yan, and our operating room po. Recently inaugurated CT scan na bago po from our Department of Health, HPEP equipment po, inaugurated lang this June, and also yung bagong infrastructure natin na finally completed po. We're just waiting for the occupancy permit po, yung ating tertiary clinical laboratory po. This will already help us do other tests like yung ating blood culture, yung mga ganun po. Actually, since we are the provincial hospital and we are located at the center of Laoag City, which is the capital of Ilocos Norte, very much accessible to all our constituents po from the different municipalities of Ilocos Norte. So, hindi na po lalayo yung ating mga constituents, yung ating mga pasyente. Immediately po, may mga services na po dito sa Laoag City. Hindi na sila, kasi isa lang po yung tertiary hospital dito sa province, yung Mariano Marcos. But as a level 2 government hospital, we are also capable of serving yung mga specialized facilities na meron nga po kami, like yung nabanggit ko, CT scan, and yung mga 2D echo. Also, under PhilHealth, we are also accredited by the PhilHealth sa ating bagong packages ng outpatient emergency care benefits, emergency room po. Tapos, recently, we just had the YAKAP program from PhilHealth. And of course, generally po, as a provincial hospital, patients who are admitted at the charity ward will go home po, no balance billing. We observe that po. So, yan po yung na benefit sa ating mga kababayan around dito sa Ilocos Norte. Dito, most common dito sa mga kababayang malapit po dito sa area ng Laoag City po. Ang mga pasyente po, pagka-admit, wala nang iisipin. Kumbaga, pag-uwi, yung kanilang pagpapagaling, nakatutok na lang po yung pamilya ng bawat pasyente na na-admit dito. So, maganda po na programa ng gobyerno ito, at sana po tuloy-tuloy yung tuloy-tuloy lang. Yung serbisyo namin dito sa Provincial Hospital, nakaakma po doon sa programa ng ating gobyerno na ang pasyente, pag na-admit, in terms of their health status, pag na-admit, uuwi po, walang burden po financially.
Kaya po nang naka-ano po kami sa PhilHealth, wala po talaga. Ngayon po kaming PhilHealth, wala po kaming binabayaran.
Napakalaking tulong po para sa amin, lalong na po ang mga katulad namin na solo na namumuhay. Wala po kaming ibang inaasahan, kundi ang tulong po ng gobyerno.